our greenhouse looks like. Here's all of our tomato plants. Look at those beautiful heirloom tomatoes grown from seed. There's one that's actually almost ripe. Just gets to the point of where it's actually going to start producing. And yeah, that's the grow season in the Rockies. Over in a blink of an eye. So yeah, we got them all tucked in for the night. You see. Of course, a oil heater in the center. So we're going to be, I got my Horton Here's a Who hat on today. Going to be but teleporting? No. What's the word? Moving some peppers that aren't looking too good. Peppers really like the heat, and they're not getting that right now in the greenhouse, other greenhouse. So just gonna record it, see what it looks like, sped up. It's for the fun of it. And yeah, this is our comfy little makeshift. I mean, about as cheap as you can get, because it's a upcycled, I guess, recycled swing set with some PVC pipe and painter's cloth or plastic and zip ties and clamps. Pretty simple. That's all it took to make a hoop house. Pretty makeshift, but it works. So right now it's got a lot of snow on top, real heavy. It's a real heavy, wet, kind of icy snow right now. So hopefully it holds together. I don't know, we'll see. That'll be the, I mean, if we come out here tomorrow morning and the thing's collapsed and everything's dead, I mean, that'd be a perfect end to the year, right?
Are you ready?
Anyway, I'm ready. I'm filming.
Okay, I'm gonna start bringing them in. Watch out.
You do that. Hold on.
You said you were ready.
I did. This isn't the easiest thing to get around, I'll tell you that much. Here's from the other angle. Look at all those beautiful greens. What's happening with my hat? You just gotta look at this thing. So this habanero plant right here. Look at these beauties. Look at those beauties. Crikey. Just getting ready to pick, right? We're just now developing. You know how long that took? You know how long it took to grow that plant? 70, roughly 7,300 foot elevation. 2 years. 2 years. Kept it indoors all winter. comes. Okay. Okay. And here's me trying to save a tree. Sometimes you just gotta go with good enough. Okay. Alright. Let's get some. Let's get some of this. Who's with me? Who's with me to get some of that? Let's get some. Get some winter. Bring it on, winter. I'm not gonna. You see my knees knocking? Not knocking. See? Maybe a little shiver. Little tiny shiver. I mean, yeah. I'm not saying that I'm really that much of a rugged mountain man type. I like my comforts. Truth comes out. Warm coffee. Yeah. Foot baths. Yeah. But nice little jacuzzi tub. Sounds good right now. Look at the snow. This is our canopy. So much for that. It's just heavy too. Yeah, it gets old, man. So I'm just doing my rounds, making sure what can freeze will freeze. So got to go around and inspect everything. Got a lot of campers. Yeah, that's like a whole nother day. Yeah, these poor sad trees, look at this. I mean, they're already looking sad. There goes summer. It's all it takes is one freak cold spell. Apple orchard. It's gone. It's gone. You just gotta say, nice knowing you. See you next spring. Just gotta let go. Yeah, just gotta let go. Look at this beautiful little, cute little apricot. That only half of it survived over the winter. Yeah, these leaves are gone. It's all gone, man. Just gotta let it go. Like that Disney song. Yeah. I'd sing it if I wasn't so annoyed by it. But yeah, this is my little camper collection. Yeah. In case you're wondering, that's what I used to do full time. Yeah, the RV repair guy. And the temperature is it's getting there. It's getting there, folks. It's getting down there. Can you read that? Because I don't know if I can read that. Yeah, it's right at 36 probably, something like that. So it's winter in the Rockies and it's already here again. Yeah, give me more time to make all that infotainment I've been working on over the summer. Kick it into overdrive this winter, I'm telling you. Keep your eyes out. Stay tuned. New podcast is on its way. I promise you. It's taken me a while, but It's in the works. It's all up here right now. It's all up there. And it's just waiting to get out. Because it eats me up inside if I don't get it out. It just eats me up inside. And, you know, there's not much left up there to live off of, you know, if you're trying to feed something. There's not too much substance left up there. I mean, at least nothing fatty, no fatty tissue. I can't talk. My lips are starting to freeze, so just trying to be silly. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is Nate, winter in the Rockies. Already having fun. You having fun? I'm having fun. Already. This is a blast. And the projects aren't even done yet. Look at this thing. New roof. Sat all summer. Still sitting. And it's full of snow again. Is it just me? I know it's not just me. But like, it's time just flying by. Goes by too fast. Blink of an eye. Anyway, catch y'all later. Signing out.